keyboard time once again. Massdrop ALT. This is my keyboard that I've been messing with the past week or so, and I'm going to make a quick video showing some of the effects. And just to show some of the LED effects a little bit better, I'm actually going to turn out this light now that you know that it's actually a Massdrop ALT. So here's what my keyboard does when I plug it in and turn it on first. So I have blue on my home row. All my other keys around here are pink, but they have this glitter effect. It can be turned off. I assigned it to function and caps lock. So that's what it looks like when it's all on. This is what it looks like when it does this cloudy effect. Now, here's a cool thing that I think I did, or I think it's cool at least. So I have this mode right here that's normal typing mode. I like to play video games as well, but sometimes when I play video games, if this part over here on the board on the right hand side if that's all blinky, it can be distracting while you're playing video games. So I attached the game mode or a second LED map to function enter. And now I just have WASD, and these keys over here for my left hand, I have them all highlighted, as well as of course M, because that's always to open map. And you never know when you need an enter key, but it's not blinky. And yet I still have gamer side light, LED color change coming off of the side to add some kind of gamer-centric something or another. So you turn game map off. Oh, and this is what my function does when I hold over my function key. So I can see some of the shortcuts. So I have gamer mode, and I have this cloudy breathe effect where individual keys breathe randomly. And of course there's the normal breathe. I did not turn that off. That's still on function and tab, but I'm not a huge fan of that. So here's the next thing that I did. On J and K I have next and back. So I can assign as many LED presets as I want and just scroll through them. And not as many as I want, but a whole lot of them. You can fit a lot of LED presets on this board because they're all defined in just C code arrays with flags and such. So once again, this green and purple also has a game mode that's also green and purple. So each mode has an associated game mode, so you can have colors that match that profile. So notice the effects going on the side. Let's explain some effects real quick. And to better explain effects, I think it's easy if I go to rainbow. Rainbow is easy to see effects, right? Everything's turned off, right? Everything's fully on. All right, rainbow, fully on. This is a standard rainbow. So a few of the things I've done, let's go through two of the effects that I've made. Here's all white with just a black scroll. And this one is actually on my green keys with purple highlights. That's what's going on all my modifiers. So back to rainbow. So there's that one, and I also created this with the pink and blue, and that matches that first theme that I was showing you with the blue home keys and the pink everywhere else. So two animations that I've created that are homemade animations standard. So there's a couple other things that we can do with these animations. First, I didn't like it just going diagonally or up and down. The up and down was built in, but we built a horizontal. It goes the length of the board right there. It goes at that angle, or not horizontal, diagonal. I didn't like the horizontal scrolling. I like the diagonal scrolling. Made that happen. Diagonal scrolling's magic. The other thing is circular scrolling, and this is built into TMK core and not it's not baked into the Massdrop branch. But for example, if we go to the rainbow is really easy to see. The circular scroll pattern. Same thing with the we'll turn circular scroll off. So on this effect pattern, notice how the top keys stay top, but when I turn glitter on, only the bottom keys below the top row do the glitter. You have a flag that you can pass that sets it to don't allow it to glitter these keys, and that's how when we go to these presets, the top row and the home row right here that you'd usually have your fingers on while typing, those keys don't glitter while the rest of the keys do. So once again, rainbow I think is easy to explain these things. Now here's something cool I did with the individual key fade. There's a little random number glitchy thing. So I call this version right here clouds, and we can speed it up with, I attached it to Z and C. So we can slow it down, goes slow, we can speed it up, goes fast. And if we hit function shift, it goes to switches mode to this kind of more glittery mode. So the first one I think of as cloudy, this one I think of as glittery. And it goes up and down, fading, but it randomizes. Sometimes it does harsh jumps either all the way down or all the way up. Sometimes it actually does a fade. And once again, if you say assign this to a pattern on this glitter mode of the cloudy stuff, it's only applies to the keys you have it set it to apply to. So it's pretty cool. There's some cool stuff you can do with TMK. I'll make a video soon about all the parameters and customization and the actual code involved in making your Massdrop ALT do this. But it's really easy to control the ALT. I see some people in the forums struggling, and it's pretty cool. I also have my own branch of the software. If you want to check out the branch without me explaining it, I'll leave a link in the description below. But I have my own branch, or my own fork of the Massdrop fork of the QMK firmware for this board that has all of these effects baked in and things like that. So that's it for some of the animations that I've built. I think the presets thing is pretty cool. So you can have different presets. I think the game mode thing is pretty cool, in which it's just LEDs, like your actual key map stays the same. I'm not changing layer key map. All I'm changing is the LED colors. Alright, so thanks for watching this short demo of the LED animation programs that I've made and customized on this Massdrop ALT keyboard. And source code is down below in the GitHub, and I'll be making a video soon explaining some of the code changes and how to make your own profiles. I think it's made a little bit easier. It's just define your own key map file. You don't need to dive into any code other than key map to set multiple presets and everything now. So give me a thumbs up if you liked this video. Remember to subscribe, especially if you want to see anything about the next video where I explain how to make your own presets and how we can all contribute to just more and more color presets and things like that. So, thanks for watching.